Hey guys, it's Jenna G. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make curry bhagi rice. Bhagi rice is something that most of us are familiar with it. If you're not familiar with it though, I'll post the links right down below. You can check it out. I have a bhagi rice with chicken, regular bhagi rice. So I'll post them down below so you guys can go check them out. This one included curry in it. Why? Well, most Trinidadians love the curry and most of us enjoy bhagi rice. Why not combine it? So just to go through the ingredients with you guys before we start, I'm using parboiled rice. I've already cut my dasheen bush leaves and stems chopped up, tomato, onions, curry leaves or carapuli leaves, hot peppers and pimentos, coconut milk is going in there of course, and I'm going to be using roasted geera, a pinch of saffron powder and some curry powder, and to cook it all up we're using some olive oil, and we're also going to be using some green seasoning and some water in this. This is a one pot cook up basically. So all we're going to be doing is adding some oil to our pot, and we're basically just going to be cooking this as we would any curry dish that we're preparing. So once the oil is hot, in goes the onions, the garlic, pimento, pepper and tomatoes. We're just going to cook this until those onions nice and tender, and then we're going to add in our curry powder. And you're going to stir this around. Now you're probably saying that's a lot of curry powder in there. That's because we have the bhagi to add in, the dasheen bush, we have the rice to add in, and we have the coconut milk. So we want to make sure that we have that curry flavor in it. We want that nice curry taste in the bhagi rice. So you're toasting this up nicely, and you're going to add some water, just a little water. And all this time my heat is on low. So you're stirring this up until the sauce thickens up. So once that's nice and thick there, in goes our dasheen bush. Give this a stir there. Now the dasheen bush is going to melt down. So just stir that up. And then in goes my rice. I'm adding in my coconut milk. And I'm also adding some water. So I'm going to raise my heat to medium here. And I'm basically going to just let this cook. So you want it to cook. Now this is like one of those pilau and one of those rice and peas where the firmness of the rice will vary from person to person. I like soft rice, so I'll make sure and cook mine until the rice is nice and soft. But if you like it on the firm side, of course cook it accordingly. So before we just leave this alone, in goes some green seasoning. You can add as much as you like, and I'm including some roasted geera and also some saffron powder for a little yellow color, but it's all optional. This part especially, I just enjoy adding the roasted geera for that nice taste. So you can add it to the end as well. So I'm going to just leave this and let this cook down. And depending on how you like your rice, how much water you added, the cook time will of course vary. So let's check on it here. Curry bhagi rice oil. So I'm adding my salt and black pepper. It tastes and adjust for salt accordingly of course, and the same thing for the black pepper. Great, so we're going to leave this on for just a few minutes, and when we check back on it, it will be finished. Curry bhagi rice finished. Oh gosh, it's looking so good. Just regular bhagi rice, but you put any curry in it. Just something different for you all to try it if you've never tried it before. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you try it out for sure. Let me know what you guys think about it. If you do make this, let me know as well down below in the comment section. Thanks as always for watching. Give the video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and don't forget to share with all your friends and your family. I'll see you guys in my next video.